Bigyan natin ng jacket si Ambitbit. Okay, Ambitbit. Okay, shoutout sa iyo, Ambitbit. Thank you so much for coming. Ambitbit. Ano pa bang nandito? Beautiful soul of Alicia Ali, good evening po. Mega love shoutout, beautiful soul of Alicia Ali. Thank you so much for coming. Siyempre si Kuya Rom. Kuya Rom! I can say goodbye to you to Kuya Rom. Okay? Your favorite Kuya Rom. Matsala po kamahalan. Ay, parang feeling ko si ano. Si Tuyuyong. Is this yung Tuyuyong? Ikaw ba ito Tuyuyong? May grabe siya Tuyuyong. Tusok! Maraming salamat sa patusok. Miss Rodri na Cristo sa channel. Thank you so much guys. Okay? Kuya Rom, may galam shoutout Kuya Rom. Ayan, paboritong kanta ni Kuya Rom. Tords, may galam shoutout. Beautiful song of my show. Thank you so much for the rest of 15 eyes and thank you so much salamat sa mga guys. Maraming salamat po. Yan to, terima kasih. Say it would be better if we stop seeing each other. If you had only met me first when you were free. Cause now you've got commitment. I should not get with things from you that you can give to me. Oh, but baby, can't you see? I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Neither of us know that you're young, that we will fall in love this way. But since we did, why should we be apart? Sometimes some things happen that can never be explained. Now it's too late for me. I'm giving you my heart. I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Who knows how it is when we choose no one will learn. Who knows why we do the things when we do we're in love. I know that you're hesitant, we try to do what's best, but how can I forget all the feelings we have shared? I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Sis Judy, maraming salamat Sis Judy ha. Thank you so much Sis Judy. Ambot-bot, may kalab shoutout. Sis Judy, maraming salamat Sis Judy ha. Thank you so much God bless Sis Judy and the rest yan guys. Maraming salamat. Ambot-bot. Ambit-bit kanina ngayon, ambot-bot na. Okay. Bigyan natin ng jacket si Ambot-bot. Ambot-bot, para hindi ka ginikinaw, bigyan natin ng jacket yun si ano. Yanto, thank you so much Yanto ha. Sis Judy, maraming salamat Sis Judy. Beautiful soul of Maricial, Pugang Matet, Lay, sa mga nakabigyan sa atin, Miss Arlene, and the rest yan guys. Towards, maraming salamat. Kuya Rom, maraming salamat. Sino pa nandito guys. Thank you po sa inyong support yan. To Yuyong, of course, thank you so much to Yuyong sa pagdalaw ha. Sana all na lang talaga to Yuyong nadalaw mo si host. Ano po. Ito naman kay ano, kay Beautiful Soul, Maricial, and the rest. Guys, para po sa inyong lahat.
卡兹一下，帮你打气，贵格奇亚子麦片。